2011 Chevrolet Camaro SS with a supercharger with 26,000 actual miles. Has the Borla exhaust. The torque converter's been changed over. Has aftermarket torque thrust 20-inch chrome wheels with Mickey Thompson soft tires on the back. Leather interior, factory. It's sunroof. It's the 2SS model Camaro, and then again it does have a supercharger, a Whipple Supercharger. A whole lot of money has went into this car. It also has a computer program update on it as well, and also has headers too. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's got a great sound to it. Bear with me one moment here. I'm trying to pop the hood here. There's the Whipple Supercharger. You see down there the headers that are down there. Kind of dark. Car hadn't been driven a whole lot over the last couple years. Only probably a couple hundred miles have been put on it.